is a story of how having babies surpassed all odds. Being high school sweethearts and being told that we won't last, we are now 20 plus years in and raising a beautiful family. Stay tuned with our crazy family and our wild adventures.
Okay, so right now we're on the way to Gumbo Limbo, which is a turtle sanctuary. It is 11:36. Say hi, guys. Angela.
And they have a feeding at 12 o'clock. I wonder what they're feeding. Maybe I should research it. I mean, I really didn't care what they were feeding. I don't care. They're feeding fish. I still, want to go and see it. And it's a sanctuary, so we're going to go there. We're going to support it. We're going to donate and, bring awareness to it. So the more people know, the more people go. And the more people the more money they raise, and then they help out like the marine life. And you love marine life.
I do.
So I think it's perfect. I think it's a perfect time to just go and spend like an hour or two, and then maybe we'll hit the beach afterwards. We can prepare just in case.
That's our plan for today.
Just in case, because if it's too hot, I just can't. The heat gets me so grumpy. I don't know why I live in Florida.
I was gonna say.
I like the cold. I prefer the cold. I don't know if it's because I was born and raised in New York, but I prefer the cold. I don't know why I live in Florida. Why? I guess because my husband doesn't want to move. If I have a chance to get out of Florida or move somewhere that gets a little bit colder, like maybe Orlando, then I'll do it. Then I'll stay in Florida. But anyways, hopefully it's we get there on time. I think we will. Hopefully. What time did you say we're gonna get there? 11:52. 11:52. We gotta hurry up. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Cool. So this is the place. It's Gumbo Limbo. Oh, sunscreen. Oh,
I found Dory.
where's Dory? Oh man, she's hiding. Do you guys want to start going down that way?
Where we need to be is that way.
Where we need to be is that way? Okay, let's go this way then.
JJ, let me get my phone. Angela, you mind carrying one of these? It's iced tea. If you want some. Yeah, woo, I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
Let's go.
Because it's a sanctuary. We come here and help. This way. He says he knows where he's going. Oh my God, the baby! Oh my goodness!
I hold them.
You did?
It was at an event. We were allowed to put steak and baby turtle.
Oh my goodness! Oh, this little turtle had hooks in his body. Oh my God! Oh, hello! I'm gonna name him Crush. Do you know what movie that's from, Angela? Crush? JJU? I'm gonna name him Crush. What movie is that from?
Is it like Fast and the Furious?
No! The turtle?
You're all wrong, I know.
Oh.
Where? Obviously where it's from. Okay.
Well, Angela, where's it from?
Something with turtles and sharks and...
Finding Nemo! Oh wow, he's huge.
I can't see. Oh wow, that's cool.
Turtle troubles.
Oh, you're telling me about those, right?
Yep.
Oh wow, look. That's the turtle.
You know what are threats to turtles? Humans. People. Whoa. They're huge fish. There you go. No, I need to, yeah, there you go. Whoa. Oh, fishy.
Oh, that's such it.
Oh, look, a stingray.
Oh, why not I touch one of those? They're so cute. They feel slimy.
Oh, they'll move because if you move, then I don't have.
Look at this one. This one wants.
Well, hello, fishy.
Where's that?
Wow, they're big.
Oh, I think the spikiness on them goes up when it's like when it's mad.
Well, hello.
Look at those up there. Bro, how do you feed these fishes here? This time we have to feed the fish one of these.
Does he eat these fish? Oh my God! Hello. He just came to say hello.
Bottom.
Hey, Mr. Turtle. They're about to do feeding time any minute now.
How do we
So
feed?
excited.
How do we feed?
That's the one that killed Merlin's
I
family.
think they're being fed. You saw them freak out?
No.
Are they being fed?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, because compared to Nemo, he is
Yeah,
huge.
he's huge. He's the one that ate Merlin's family. Marlin.
This is big.
Wow.
The turtle can be in here. Oh, they give him tiny fish. Wow, that's messed up. Look at him over there.
Wait, the fish are eating fish?
Yeah, look at that one right there. It's a fish eat fish.
Oh, I see.
Oh, so even the baby fishes are eating it.
Okay, so they throw baby fish in there, and then the big fish eat the baby fish?
That one, look.
No, they put in like dead shrimp.
Look, the baby fishes are eating the dead stuff.
Oh, so they put in dead shrimp and fish.
Yeah.
Whoa, you saw that?
Where?
The blue one just went and took the food from the other fish. Kirby giving us a show.
No, Kirby.
Oh look, Jasenia. I want to join him so bad. Where's the starfish? Oh. Oh, let me see it this way. Oh, sorry, Yesenia.
Oh my God, look. Look at the back of it.
Oh, look at the seahorse.
Where do you see I've never
Where?
seen a seahorse in person.
Oh my God, what is this?
Oh my God, look, it's a triangle fish. Oh my God, it's so cute as a baby.
But what is this? Is that a seahorse when it's a baby?
No, that's not fish that's supposed to look like that. It's just like it's like a little fish.
Is it something or is it nothing? These children don't want to go because of the mosquito pressure.
She doesn't want to go because of the mosquitoes. I want to go because it's hot. But you didn't get me something.
Bobby, what did you want to get?
That's favoritism right there. That's favoritism.
So let me test my wingspan.
That's not too scale.
Wow. I think a brown pelican because it's 7 feet. Let's wreck the canoes. Who do we ask about that?
Your mom.
Your mama? Your mama.
Your mama's grandma.
Stay out of the water. Strictly enforced.
Then why do they have canoes?
I don't know, man.
Wait, is it over there? Look at the people.
Yes.
No, I'm wearing these flats. I mean, Tina,
Okay, let's go. I'll go with you.
Go down first.
Let's go. Oh my God, that sign. Angela, go get the sign.
Oh, no.
Okay, here.
I'll
Here. I'll go get it. Oh, you said no.
Oh, it's so cold. See, we're at the beach.
Wow.
We're at the beach. That is cool. Oh. Guys, let's go. I see the person who watches. The person is watching us.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, is this ever gonna end? Get some water. Wait, why are we running? Why are we running? Why are we running? What would you do if we're on this trail walk and then a mountain lion just jumps on the trail?
I would be surprised if I'm
You
not.
can't run because if you run, that's when they start chasing you because it's like a game to them.
I'll probably climb over this and go there.
I think I'll faint. Mountain lion.
Okay, here's the plan.
Trail
First,
walk.
then I do a backflip karate kick to his forehead. And while he's dazed from the kick, I do karate chop to his neck. Then he should be knocked out. Then I send him to the nearest animal control.
You do know this is a mountain lion, right?
And you don't know that it's me, right?
It's hot, but who cares? It's not disgusting hot. And I figure, you know what, let's just go on this beautiful walk instead of just, you know, trying to cut the trip short and go in the car and, you know, whatever. What are you guys reading?
It's saying something about this.
Where are they? Okay, so right now we are leaving Gumbo Limbo. It's hot. We're probably gonna go to the beach. We'll see. I'm gonna drive by there, and if not, we'll just get some ice cream over there or something. Guys, did you like it?
Yes.
They're having their own conversation, but whatever. We're leaving now, and oh, but don't just put it on me. Look at you can see my big ass arms. Oh my God.
Here's this better.
So just kidding. We're not going to the beach anymore because first, we couldn't find any parking, and second, when we did, it was expensive parking. So I was like, we're only gonna be here like half an hour, not even an hour, for like $25. I was like, maybe we'll just go home. I need to go grocery shopping anyways.